Hi, welcome back to 5 is Prime. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to add fractions with like denominators. So this is a key piece here. So the word denominator represents this bottom number. So in my example, it's a 4. And that 4 just represents how many pieces my whole is cut into. So I have this circle here, and it's cut into 4 pieces. And all of those pieces are the same size. So I'm going to use this model to show you how we can actually add these. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to do a little highlighting, and I'm going to fill in 2 of my 4 pieces here to represent my fraction 2/4. So this is what I'm starting with. And then once I get that all filled in, I'm going to go ahead and highlight or fill in 1 more to represent 1/4. And once I've done that, I can go ahead and just count these. So I've got 1, 2, 3 filled in, and I have 4 pieces total. So I have 3/4 of my circle filled in. If you notice, my denominator is the same, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So that's how you can do it without a model. All right, let's do another example. I've got 2/5 plus 2/5. Over here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So I know this model is going to work for this problem. I'm starting with 2/5. I'm going to shade in 2, and I'm going to add 2 more. All right, now I can count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shaded total out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total. If we take a look, I have 2 plus 2 equals 4, and then my 5 just stays the same. All right, one more example. I have 4/6. I double check, I'm double checking. Yes, I've got the same denominator. I have 6 pieces in my model. I can go ahead and start using my model to add these. So I'm going to start with 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 more down here, 4. And I'm going to add 2 more. 1 and 2. All right. Now this one looks a little bit different, because if I count up my colored shaded spots, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in my model is cut into 6 pieces. So looking at my equation, 4 plus 2 equals 6, and then I just drag my 6 over into the denominator. I keep my denominator the same. All right, and our last one, I've got 8ths and 8ths. Double checking my model, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to start with 1 shaded. Okay, and then I'm going to shade 4 more. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 total out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible pieces. So 1/8 plus 4/8 equals 5/8. And there we have it. That is how you add fractions with like denominators. I hope that this was helpful to you. If you feel like you've mastered this, you can go ahead and watch the video subtracting fractions with like denominators. I'll see you in the next one.